What up bafethu? Sicala kuPaprika again bafethu. So on the last episode we were doing hotlines, but then on this episode we'll be starting the engine and tuning it yabona bafethu. Yeah, nizwe kancane athi nginizwise. Uyalizwa ithulile ABF baba throttle bafethu. These were just clips nyana. We'll show you the rest of the videos as time goes on. Aziye bafethu VR6 VR6 bafethu sisishayile interior. We were busy trying to put back things. Uyabona bheka ama seats ke wasemuva bafethu fully covered bafethu, stitch si ready, even sound bafethu is fully installed bafethu. Imoto vele izohamba iphelele. Uyabo bafethu, that's our plan. We are trying to basically return everything in the car yabo, because imoto mele ihambe iye kwa-Anza bafethu so that you can feed the 2.8 engine. You remember the first episode, if not the second episode, we stated that we can't rebuild the engine because ispan sibhaya, so we decided to outsource. The reliable person simcabangile u-Anza ukuthi asiphushele ispan yabona bafethu. So bafethu imoto we are returning like literally everything, you name it, ABS, fluid pipes, everything yabo. So here as you can see bafethu, what we are doing here, we are just flattening the car so that we can polish it. We actually return most of the things that needed to be returned on the car. And the next thing, we actually installed beadings. Remember, there was an episode whereby I showed you these parts about stiff and so forth, drive shaft, bashil and so forth. I would so polish before they were like this, rusted. So we did the Lord's work bafethu. We painted them black. Panels, bafethu, they are still proper and clean. Ayimfana bheka uChef Ramdesh baba. Look at that bafethu. Spilly bafethu. The car is clean, even though it still needs us to do some touch up on the paint job, but then nevertheless it's something that is small bafethu. We'll keep on pushing that bafethu. The last episode bafethu we had the Golf 6 in for air bafethu. Nako ke bafethu double bellows bafethu all around bafethu. This is the Golf 6 GTI cabriolet. With that being said bafethu, we are hooking it up with double bellows from Airlux bafethu, performance struts bafethu. Other than that, we know bafethu, this is a GTI bafethu. You need those struts bafethu. Besides, on those curves bafethu, really hanging. We are hoping that the customer comes back for put setup bafethu, and we hook this car up with the put setup bafethu. Even nice. Look at that bafethu, sitting nice bafethu, clean. We have done the Lord's work bafethu. Nalikhosa bafethu ngapha. Layer of our painters here, look at that, clean and shiny baba. 678 laba phambili bafethu. We are pushing a span bafethu, after polishing bafethu. So we need just to clean the car, be nice. Bese ke bafethu uChef Ramdesh will take you through bafethu the video a bit. Sibegu 18540 by 17, but then it is looking hella nice bafethu. So we are using these rims so that we can tow the car nicely while we wait for the original rims to be refurbished at McLab.
Few things left. Roof lining. We're just putting the panels, the radios in, the rear speakers are in. Like yeah. fittings left. And it's off to Anza to fit the engine as we're busy with too many projects. Let me start here. MK6. We just bagged. MK6 all the way from Orange Farm. Maybe you know this guy.com spares, all your MK1 spares needs. You're gonna get it from him. Then there's this grip here that needs a paint. You have to fix there and there. More problems. We bought a fender, we bought a new bumper. The headlights have just recently changed. 127 days of life. And this one all the way from Durban. We're waiting for the seats. Then you have to assemble everything together. Everything good. La 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 la. Then there's the MK1. This is the first coat, guys. First coat. Haven't painted the car yet. This is the first coat. You have to paint like everywhere. Off one. Then there's these rims. One of our friends bought these rims to us.
Bafethu Ramdesh uphelelwe. Sakafikile uParapepe ke manje. Izinja zegame. Awuthi ngibangene. Bafethu ke lama rem lawa abelonga to one of our friends. Njoba nomzwilo Ramdesh asho ukuthi bafethu he brought these rims to us. We Golf 7. I-SLR ubongs inja yegame. Uyabo. So with that being said, yabona bafethu mawungazitholela nanoma ireplica mfana le17 ulifake epholweni la mfana. Bafethu angikwazi ukuthula. Look at this bafethu. They are coming out nice. Into eziclean mfana. Ayo. Hele Golf 7 R bafethu ke le rim. Pretorius bafethu, you won't go wrong. If you have such a car, noma ngaba iPolo, buy even the replica. Bafethu, let me keep quiet bafethu. Zishe bafethu, but then you can see bafethu izinto this bafethu. We are doing the Lord's work here. Even though we don't like refurbishing rims, but then we do refurbish rims. If if it's painting, we can do it for you, Bafeti. Small. Yeah, Bafeti. This is the results, Bafeti. Look at that. Clean, eh? Nice. Clean Buffett, clean Buffett. With that being said, if VR6 Buffett needed to be clean because we polished it. So the disadvantage of our polishing a car and leaving it without cleaning it is that the paint will take time. Was it not the paint per se? The polish will actually take time for you to actually remove it. Especially on those tight corners and so forth. Bafethu nalo ke vura vela uDamzo lana ubhizi bafethu uDamzo bafethu uyayiclean ivura. Now sesifake wonke ama-seat bafethu skhavile like everything ama-beadings yabo afakiwe bafethu. Cover the interior now bafethu imoto ivukile bafethu from what it was. Look at it bafethu, sound fully installed. Should my motor ihamba iyaku-anza vele everything seyiphelele except i-roof lining and the mere fact kumele sishaye so sibuye so ama-touch-ups on the paint, you understand? But then nevertheless everything else bafethu clean. You can see even the seats fully done, backboard nice bafethu, nice bafethu. the VR bafethu is now alive bafethu. Livugile VR bafethu, livugile bafethu. This is what guys you wanted to see bafethu. We managed to to bring this car back to life. If you've been following us from episode number 1, you will understand. Now my favorite part bafethu, the sunroof bafethu from the Jetta 6 bafethu. Clean bafethu. I want Corsa, Icon, and the MK1 bafethu. We are busy with it. The plan is that bafethu, the red MK1 belongs to us. After building it, we're gonna sell it. Bafethu. So ningawari ngeke sinidabule inyongo ngaleyo ndlela, but then you understand that we'll be doing a proper thing. We don't cut corners. We make sure bafethu the car is smooth. The VR6 bafethu. So here we were preparing it to itowe iyoku anza to fit the engine. You understand? Then whenever it when it comes back, we finish up the car, because the rims are being done at Meglab. So today is Saturday. They promised us, you know what, the rims will be done so that we can come and fetch them. Look at that buffet, clean, eh? La nabe sesilungisela i6 ukuthi liwashe sizokwazi ukuvaya yabona bafethu. Meke sisizwise ngama convertible imvela kancane bafethu egas, but nevertheless ifikile bafethu from Orange Farm bafethu ila.
Pressa the caster there.
Hayi, nayo ke bafethu. Cleaned, nice, bagged, ready to go. Hayi, bafethu, siyenzile into yethu bafethu la. Siyenzile bafethu. So imoto ine custom management bafethu. What is it? Double bellow all around. Performance struts. Izinto. Look at that, Papa. Amabhilling ahleli kamnandi bafethu. The car is looking nice. Bafethu. Ready to be picked up. But then nevertheless, the owner bafethu ifikile yazolanza itrans bafethu, a test driver. He was happy. All is well. All the way from Orange Farm, yabo? So it is what it is bafethu. So during the day vele imoto naye bekumele ilayishwe vele wana bafethu i-VR6 sisoko answer, as we're busy telling you that it is going to answer. Look at that bafethu, fresh, ne? Nice and clean bafethu. There's your VR bafethu. We managed to uyivusa bafethu all the way bafethu from Rustenburg bafethu to eKatlehong. But then it is what it is bafethu. We managed uyivusa. It is going to answer for 2.8 engine bafethu, i-installer, then ibuye shama touch-ups, then from there sinike customer ihambe kanjalo bafethu. Thank you bafethu. We also have a new project bafethu that came in, project Golf 7 bafethu, GTD, for full respray bafethu. So nibonisa process yakhona siyenzani bafethu, but then this is the car bafethu and its condition. The condition wasn't that bad, but then nevertheless it needed our hands bafethu. the very next day bafethu sathi phezu kwayo iGolf 7 bafethu sayirhwaya. Sayirhwaya bafethu, body feel whereby it needed to be body filled, sayenza ukuthi ibe sharp yabona bafethu. Vandag hayi beyimele sithi first coat bafethu sidile ngayo imoto ibe clean bafethu. So you know, Guest likes to show you all the process bafethu. We don't like skipping the video and so forth, but then nevertheless bafethu watch as siyithela iGolf 7 bafethu ngepende edurayo 4,000. Usuka madoda. Bazothi siyaloya kanti vele siyaloya. Bafethu, the car is coming out nice. You can see bafethu first coat yethu. The car is fully painted basically. We'll then come back a second coat nakhona. See tele even more. The bumpers are already painted. The rear and front bumpers are already painted bafethu. The car will be done in no time because this project bafethu remember that the bumpers were fully prepared also bafethu. Look at them bafethu, looking nice. This is just first coat bafethu. Sikhuluma ngamapenda amnandi. Hayi phela bafethu ipende durame libonana. Look at that bafethu. Here we are in polished it bafethu. So the plan was to see flatting it, then polish it bafethu. But then already you can see the car shining bafethu. Asiklane guys bafethu. Siyaloya bafethu. So the next clip will be showing you bafethu la sipolish akhona imoto bafethu. Then boom. Bafethu says I should say cleaner. Since I told you before that whenever you polish your car, make sure that immediately when you're done polishing it, you wash it, because the paint, the polish solidifies among the edges and the texture. Look at that bafethu. When I know somebody painting booth, the oven, microwave, I'm my heater. Nobody had to, baba. Look at that. That's it. Clean bafethu. Look at that bafethu. Yo. Hey, bafethu, nani asibonela bafethu. The car is clean bafethu. We even painted the calipers blue. Yo, bafethu, nice things mfana. Yo. Cover the red. Cover the blue. Clean. Full body paint. The car is shiny. Kasi bafethu to the world. Kasi to the world, baba. Someone was busy saying, hey, paint booth. Baba, we paint without a paint booth. But then we are making sure. Good eye span since wimbo. Look at that, baba. Oh. Hi, bafethu. Let me keep quiet. Play some music. So bafethu, the very next day when the Golf 7 came to us, a Mercedes also came to us bafethu for full body respray bafethu. Probably this one you will catch it on the next episode bafethu nayo. Sishaya yonke bafethu siyayawasha. We are making sure that we are basically bringing back the respect for this car. Yabo. Already this car has respect bafethu. Yabona imoto is clean. So it had some dents, but then nevertheless that's nothing for us bafethu. So you push at the motor bafethu. Yeah, with that being said bafethu, stay tuned. Next episode we'll be covering this car also bafethu. So yabona, even though siphume kasi sezinto ezibonakalayo kuzimoto ezintswembu nayo ke bafethu paprika bafethu, we were tuning it bafethu, detector tuning yabo ukuthi engine ibe smooth as possible and irefe kamnandi yabo. So yeah, we'll be busy with that bafethu here. Kuningi bafethu, throttles needed to be adjusted bafethu. The ECU, which is an aftermarket, needed to be adjusted also, but then nevertheless we did the loads work bafethu. The engine ended up running nice and smooth bafethu. As you can see bafethu, we were getting there. The engine was no longer shaky. The engine was now starting to stabilize, but then whatever we needed was not yet there, you understand? So we needed to tune it even more bafethu, and just try and do the lots work. Mara bafethu, at the moment, just look at this engine bay, clean, right? Nice bafethu. Even our fan is kicking, all is well. We are happy bafethu. So whenever you're tuning your ECUs and so forth, you need to push your car to limits, high limits. Look at the exhaust bafethu. That's us trying to push the car to high limits and see whether it can handle the tuning, you understand? But then nevertheless, we don't have a dyno, but then we work with whatever we have bafethu here at Gas. See hello. Lama throttles mela papato. Swazwa wavule. Awu.
Janiwe namhlanje Janiwe uzothatha imithi yami seyifikile ha.
Ngeke Chef Ramdesh, ngeke, one more time kokugcina asiwezwa ama-trumpet bafethu.
Makunyiwe thakathi bakithi ungamjiji lo ngiyathakatha.
Yini Nkosi yami? Hayibo. Huh? What the fuck, man?
That's your 2-liter ABF ke bafethu. Yo.
Yo. Ay, boy. Yeah.